Hey, what's up everyone? Quick video here, just taking a look at a couple things that GM needs to address immediately. Basically, there's a quality control guide, I guess, going around on the forums and stuff. Essentially, there are trucks coming back with chips, with chipping paint, with all kinds of different defects. But this one that I wanted to take a look at here, that's in this video, is essentially the chipping around every single one of the hoods that has been found on every Trail Boss and ZR2 that I've come across so far. So this is on the same corners all around this hood insert right here, and you can see they're very obvious and really bad looking for sure, especially on this black model right here. Essentially, it seems like the robotic arm or whoever's installing these hood inserts is scraping up the corners there. So we thought in the beginning that it possibly would be because of the vibrations or something like that. But this truck right here that we're looking at is brand new on the lot. So this is absolutely insane. I think we really need to push for GM to do some sort of recall, have them all resprayed. And I believe the fix for this on the Colorados at least was that there was going to be a spacer. So we definitely need to look into that in case it does vibrate and chip it again. But in my opinion, I don't think this is from the vibrations. I think this is actually from the factory, and it's something that they can easily address and fix. But anyways, just wanted to talk about this real quick and yeah, share your thoughts. Let me know if yours is also affected. I believe everyone I've talked to so far has had the same exact problem, so it's definitely pretty crazy. So yeah, here you go guys. Here's a quick screenshot of the service bulletin that one of the members on the forum from ChevyZR2.com posted. So essentially GM has acknowledged this, but they're also saying that it's just insufficient clearance between the center hood molding and the hood, which I don't believe is true. I believe they're all produced this way. So let's keep pushing. Let's make sure this is well known, and hopefully there's a fix for this soon.